Hello, my amazing seniors. Welcome back to our 60-day fitness journey. Today is day 31. If you're new here, this is your safe space to get stronger, one day at a time. Today, we're focusing on your legs with 3 simple but powerful exercises that keep you mobile and confident. So grab your chair, get ready, and let's begin together. Exercise 1. Sit to stand, chair squats, 50 repetitions. All right, my wonderful seniors, it is time for our first exercise of the day, sit to stand, also known as chair squats. This movement helps to strengthen your thighs, hips, knees, and improves balance and independence in daily life. So, before we begin, I want you to grab a sturdy chair and place it on a flat, non-slippery surface. Make sure the chair does not move when you sit or stand. Stand right in front of it, with your feet shoulder-width apart and toes pointing straight ahead. Now, gently lower yourself to sit down and then stand back up. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and your arms can be crossed in front of your chest or extended forward for balance. Take a deep breath in as you sit down and breathe out as you stand up. We will do this together, slow, steady, and full of energy. Ready? Let us begin our 50 repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep your chest up, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, great job. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, wonderful effort. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing amazing. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway there. How are you feeling? Still with me? Let us keep going. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, fantastic strength. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Your legs are working beautifully. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Only 10 more to go. Do not stop now. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. We are almost done. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work. Take a moment to sit down, breathe deeply, and feel the strength in your legs. You have just completed 50 sit-to-stand repetitions, and every one of them counts toward better mobility and balance. This simple yet powerful exercise improves the muscles you use every day: standing, walking, and climbing stairs. If you are feeling proud right now, you should be. You are making real progress day by day. Give yourself a big smile and type in the comments below how your legs are feeling after these 50 repetitions. Exercise 2. Seated leg extensions. 50 repetitions each leg. All right, my amazing seniors, now we are moving to our second exercise, seated leg extensions. This movement is fantastic for strengthening your thighs, knees, and improving joint stability, which helps you walk, climb stairs, and move with more confidence. Sit tall on your sturdy chair and make sure both feet are flat on the floor. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Hold the sides of the chair gently for balance. We will start with your right leg first. Extend your right leg slowly forward until it is straight in front of you. Tighten your thigh muscles, hold for a moment, and then bring it back down slowly. Remember to breathe out as you lift your leg and breathe in as you lower it. Let us begin together, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, great work. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, keep that leg strong. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, doing beautifully. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stay with me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway there. How are you feeling? Keep breathing. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wonderful. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, strong thighs. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 10 more to go. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic. Now let us switch to your left leg. Sit tall again, lift your left leg forward and feel your thigh tightening. Ready? Let us go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are doing amazing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep that control. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, you are strong. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful energy. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway done. How are you feeling right now? From which country are you watching this workout? Let me know below. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, fantastic. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, stay focused. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, final 10, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, almost there. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent job. Take a deep breath and relax both legs. Feel that gentle warmth in your thighs. That is your strength building. Every repetition you just did improves your stability and balance. Be proud of yourself and keep sharing your progress in the comments below so others can be inspired by your hard work. Exercise 3, standing side leg raises, 50 repetitions each leg. All right, my strong and motivated seniors, now it is time for our third and final exercise of the day, standing side leg raises. This exercise is wonderful for improving your balance, hip strength, and leg coordination. It helps you move more confidently and reduces the risk of falls. Before we start, make sure your sturdy chair is in front of you or slightly to the side for balance support. Stand tall behind your chair, keep your feet together, and lightly hold the backrest with one or both hands. Keep your posture upright, shoulders relaxed, and look straight ahead. We will begin with your right leg first. Slowly lift your right leg out to the side as high as you comfortably can, keeping it straight but not locking the knee. Then lower it back down slowly to the floor. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Do not swing your leg. Feel every movement and stay balanced. Are you ready? Let us begin our count together. Nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep breathing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You are doing amazing. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep your balance steady. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. How are you feeling? Still with me? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent form. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, Strong and steady. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. Last 10. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. Almost done. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Fantastic. You are doing great. Now let us switch to your left leg. Stand tall again, hold the chair lightly, and begin to lift your left leg to the side. Keep it slow and controlled. Here we go together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Steady movements. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect rhythm. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Feel those muscles working. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway done. Tell me in the comments, from which country are you watching this workout? Let us continue. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Doing beautifully. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Your legs are stronger already. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Final push. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Almost there. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work, my friends. You have completed 50 repetitions on each leg. Take a deep breath and relax your body. Feel the strength and balance you are building every single day. You are not only exercising your body, but also training your confidence and coordination. Be proud of what you achieved today. If you finished all 50, type "Done Day 31" in the comments and share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can join you in this wonderful fitness journey.